In 2025, many vehicles still use traditional key-based ignition systems, especially entry-level models and older cars. Here's the proper procedure to safely shut off your vehicle. Step 1. Bring your vehicle to a complete stop in a safe location. This is crucial for safety before beginning the shutdown process. Step 2. Engage the parking brake. This can be either a traditional handbrake lever or an electronic parking brake button, depending on your vehicle. Step 3. Shift the transmission appropriately. For automatic transmissions, shift to park. For manual transmissions, shift to neutral and engage the handbrake. Step 4. Turn the key counterclockwise to the off position. This cuts power to the engine and stops all engine functions. The ignition switch typically has 4 positions: off, run, and start. Step 5. Remove the key from the ignition completely. This activates the steering lock mechanism and engages the vehicle's security systems, protecting your car from theft. Step 6. Turn off all lights and accessories to prevent battery drain. This includes headlights, radio, air conditioning, and any other electrical components that may have been in use. Following this 6-step procedure ensures your vehicle is properly and safely shut down. This protects your battery, engages security systems, and prevents potential safety hazards. Emergency situations require immediate and proper vehicle shutdown procedures. Understanding these critical steps can prevent accidents and protect both you and your vehicle. 3 main emergency situations require immediate shutdown: a stuck accelerator pedal, an unresponsive engine that won't respond to normal controls, and electrical malfunctions that affect vehicle systems. In emergency situations, follow these 3 critical steps. First, turn the key counterclockwise to the off position. You may need to apply extra pressure if the key is stuck or the system is malfunctioning. Second, maintain steering control throughout the shutdown process. Keep both hands firmly on the steering wheel, as the power steering may become heavier once the engine stops. Third, remove the key completely from the ignition. This cuts all electrical power and is essential when dealing with electrical malfunctions that could pose safety risks. 2 critical mistakes can cause serious problems. First, never leave the key in the accessory position after shutdown. This keeps electrical systems running and will drain your battery completely. Second, never remove the key while the vehicle is moving. This immediately locks the steering wheel, making the car impossible to steer and creating an extremely dangerous situation. Proper shutdown procedures provide significant benefits. Following correct procedures extends your starter motor life by 20 to 30%, saving you hundreds of dollars in potential repairs. Many drivers today switch between traditional key systems and modern push-button start systems. This comparison shows the key differences. Be extra cautious when switching between these systems, as different shutdown procedures can cause dangerous confusion during emergency situations. Remember these essential safety points. Practice emergency procedures when the vehicle is safely parked. Know whether your vehicle uses a key or push-button system. Keep your key easily accessible. And most importantly, stay calm during emergency situations. Proper preparation and knowledge of these procedures can save lives.